I don't remember buying this brand of soda.
No, Mom. Mom, you,
Jimmy, it's just soda.
Mom, no!
Goodness! Excuse me.
Boy, it's a scorcher out there. Oh, thanks, honey. Well, at least it's coming out of the attic, not the basement.
James Isaac Neutron!